Unmasking Betrayal. Understanding, play Judas. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that has a rich historical background: play Judas. Whether you've come across it in a book, a movie, or a conversation, understanding what it means to play Judas can give you insight into the English language and culture. So let's get started and unravel the meaning behind this expression. The phrase, play Judas, comes directly from the biblical story of Judas Iscariot, one of the 12 original disciples of Jesus Christ. Judas is infamous for betraying Jesus to the authorities for 30 silver coins. This act of betrayal is one of the most well-known stories from the Bible and has made Judas synonymous with betrayal and treachery. In literature and modern use, to play Judas is to betray someone who trusts you. It's a serious accusation and implies deceit and betrayal of the worst kind. Now, let's look at how to use play Judas in conversation or writing. Here are some examples. I can't believe he would play Judas and reveal our plans to the competitor. By sharing her secrets, he chose to play Judas to his best friend. Notice how the phrase is used as a verb. Someone plays Judas, meaning they commit an act of betrayal. It's crucial to understand the context when using the phrase, play Judas. It often carries a weight of moral judgment and is best used in situations where the gravity of betrayal is clear and significant. It's not a term to be used lightly or in casual betrayal, like spoiling a movie plot, but in scenarios where trust is deeply broken. The phrase, play Judas, isn't just a language lesson. It's a cultural reference that speaks volumes about Western values, particularly regarding loyalty and trust. Its usage reflects how deeply the story of Judas has permeated cultural and ethical discussions since ancient times. To better understand play Judas and similar phrases, it's helpful to read them in context. When you come across such expressions in books or movies, pay attention to the story around them. This will help you grasp their full meaning and the emotional undercurrents they carry. That's a wrap on play Judas. I hope this video has shed light on this profound phrase and expanded your understanding of English expressions influenced by historical events. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and cultures they embody. Until next time, keep learning and never fear making mistakes. They're just stepping stones on your path to fluency. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.